Alright, it's Wednesday morning. I'm just getting out of Giant. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It was fine before. Now we're whiteout conditions. And I've got Tommy Joe's groceries. Well, let's see what we got.
Abatement in the traffic center.
Southeast Southwest Freeway, I hear from Stan Thomas, is down to bare pavement, but icy across the Potomac River on the Roosevelt Bridge, and they're treating it right now once again in the 14th Street Bridge. One lane will get you through in each direction. Whiteout conditions now reported from drivers on 95 in Virginia. Numerous wrecks to report.
Coming up 123. Into Tyson's. Well, we're right in Tyson's now. It is blowing. It is blowing. It's 8:05. We're gonna get down to Tommy's, get him some groceries. We're gonna get the hell out of Dodge. Holy Moses. If you didn't know where you were driving, you'd be in a lot of poop. This is gonna be interesting. There's Tommy's command center.
Personnel only to report. Same thing for Fort Myer. Government Accountability Office in D.C. and the Housing Opportunity Commission of Montgomery County closed. The Howard Transit and Connector Services in Howard and Anne Arundel counties not running today.
The Indian Head Division NSWC closed. Loudoun County Commuter Bus closed. Montgomery County District Courts are closed. Montgomery County Government in Rockville is closed. NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, Greenbelt Code Red. It's
WGTS 91.9, 818 with Scott Morgan. Good morning, I'm Brennan. Blowing snow and 30 degrees, and it actually rated our area as the most romantic city in America. It was actually Alexandria that came in #1. They did it based on the number of romantic comedies on DVD that were sold and relationship books. A lot of people wondering about that. Incidentally, Arlington came in at number 7, and DC came in at number 11. I guess there really is something to that slogan. Virginia is for lovers.
Here's a different kind of church service for you. On February 13th, you're invited to experience church in a new way during WGTS 91.9's Radio Day. We'd love to have you join us and a bunch of other families in the D.C. area for a worship service at the Manassas Seventh-day Adventist Church. It starts at 11 a.m. with a special lunch afterwards. It's WGTS 91.9's Radio Day, and it would be so much better with you. Find out more and let us know you're coming at WGTS919.com.
We thank AMTC for its support. AMTC, Actors, Models, and Talent for Christ, is a Christian casting agency that's helped open doors for...
Yeah, even after the snow stopped. stops falling, we're going to be dealing with the blowing and drifting snow. I got an answer to your question. The definition of whiteout in blizzard conditions, snow already on the ground can become wind-blown, reducing visibilities to near zero. That's what we're seeing out there in places, so that term applies, certainly in this case.
Coming down 123 towards Old Dominion. I think I need new wiper blades. Alright, we're on Old Dominion, going for Mclean, into Mclean proper. Coming up on Old Dominion, and whoops, we ain't getting through there. We ain't getting through there either. Let's go in the back way here. They're open. Old Dominion and Chainbridge Road. I'm gonna find a place to put these wiper blades on.
Because kids would be, this afternoon, this is going to be continuing. They'd be walking in conditions like this, very often in streets with cars passing that may not be able to see them. So that may have been a very, very wise move on their part. Thank you, Mike.
Glad you made it safely.
And we told you we'd let you know about Metro. There's just limited Metro service today. Listen to this before you run to a Metro stop. Trains will only be running in underground stations. There will be no Metro bus or Metro Access service. Alexandria Dash will not run in the MART train service at NTA.
My street, and I am not getting back out of here. This will be the last time I'll be out and about.